Hey everyone, it's Rita Peterson with Everything Homemade, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make your very own pickling spice. As you know, if you've been following my channel long enough, you'll know that I like to keep things really simple. So all the ingredients you can find at your local grocery store. If you want to buy these ingredients all organic, everything can be found at your health food store. And if you want to buy these ingredients more in bulk, you can actually pre-order and you get usually a 10% discount just by ordering it in bulk. So I'm going to make a big batch of pickling spice, and that'll last me through the next gardening season because I do a lot of preserving and I like to have this spice right on hand. Plus, like we all know, prices in the grocery store for foods is going way up. And the more that you can just buy the staples and make something yourself, the better you are off and the easier it is on your pocketbook. So let's get started. So the very first ingredient that I'm going to be using is dill. Now this is forward dill in taste, and I have 2 cups of dill seed right here, and this is dill from my garden. Now you can purchase dill, but if you could save your own dill seed, that is the very, very best. So I have dill seed here, and then what I'm going to do is add 1 cup of whole peppercorns, 1.5 cups coriander seeds, 1.5 cup allspice seeds, and then I'm going to add in 1 cup of yellowed mustard seeds, and then I have some bay leaves here, and it's going to be about 1/2 cup of bay leaves. Now I probably would normally use 1 cup, but I don't have that on hand, so today we're going to do 1/2 cup. But if you have 1 cup on hand, do that. If you don't have bay leaves, you can also use dried currant leaves, dried grape leaves. You can use goji leaves as well in here. So there's a lot of things you can substitute if you don't have bay leaves. This is the last bit of bay leaves that I have in my spice cabinet, and the last time I will purchase them, because I will just grab some grape leaves this summer and dry them for my bay leaves and save some money there. So there's a lot of different ways you can cut costs here with just these leaves, and they all add really nice flavor like a bay leaf. It's just that bay leaves don't really grow in zone 2, but there are other plants that do. You can even use horseradish, dried horseradish leaves, also just coming to my mind. So this is your mix, and basically I'm just going to use my hand here and I'm just going to mix it up. Now some pickling spice mixes do have cinnamon in it, so if you want, you could get some cinnamon bark and put about 1 cup of crushed cinnamon bark, but in this case I'm going to omit the cinnamon because I have a lot of cinnamon and other things. So this is the recipe that I really enjoy. So that's about mixed through. And you can see how much that made. And let's just take a look at that. So now what you need to do is just put this into a container. And I have a container right here, and this is just an older spice container, but I like reusing things. I don't like throwing containers away because you never know when you can use them. And I'm just gonna fill this one up, and this one will stay in my kitchen. So it's easy to get to. Well, the rest of my pickling spice I'm gonna put into a container downstairs with the rest in my cold storage, and when I need to, I'll just refill my container up And there you go, pickling spice, and you just saved a ton of money right now just making this yourself. So when you store your pickling spice, make sure you store it in a dry area. That is preferably cool and out of direct sunlight. And that is it. That is how simple it is to make a homemade pickling spice that you can use for your cucumbers, your carrots, your red beets, cabbage, anything that you're pickling, you can definitely put this in. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you go to our website, everything-homemade.com. You can purchase the Everything Stevia cookbook there. It comes in paperback or ebook. And you can check out the handcrafted chocolates that I make and the garden seeds that I sell. And if you have any questions, you can definitely comment on this video or head to the website and comment there, send me a message. So thanks once again for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one.